Hey there, foodies and kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you're a fan of air fryers, delicious recipes, and, of course, free stuff, you're in for a treat. We're going to show you how to get your hands on some amazing free cookbooks. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. If you love air fryer recipes as much as we do, you're in the right place. We have a fantastic collection of air fryer recipes that are not only easy to follow but also perfect for beginners. From savory to sweet, we've got you covered. Craving some delicious air-fried desserts? Maybe you want to whip up a quick and healthy dinner? Our free cookbooks have it all. But before we reveal how to get your hands on them, let's take a sneak peek at what's inside. Our collection includes the most mouth-watering air fryer recipes you can imagine. Whether you're looking to make crispy air-fried chicken, guilt-free fries, or even baked cakes in your air fryer, our cookbooks have you covered. Plus, if you're following a keto diet, we have a special section dedicated to keto-friendly air fryer recipes. Now, you're probably wondering how to get your hands on these fantastic air fryer cookbooks for free. It's as easy as pie, or should I say, air fryer cake. All you need is a Kindle Unlimited subscription, and you're in. Kindle Unlimited is Amazon's subscription service that offers access to over 1 million ebooks, magazines, and, yes, cookbooks. And the best part? You can try it for free for 30 days. That's right, no strings attached. Here's how it works. Click the link in the description below to sign up for a 30-day free trial of Kindle Unlimited. Once you're in, you can search for air fryer recipes or air fryer cookbooks to discover our collection. Download your favorite air fryer cookbooks and start cooking up a storm. Imagine all the delicious meals you'll be able to prepare with these recipes. It's like having a culinary expert right in your kitchen, guiding you step by step. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below. Sign up for your free 30-day Kindle Unlimited trial and dive into the world of air fryer cooking today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to access free air fryer cookbooks, perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Whether you're a dessert enthusiast or looking for keto-friendly options, our collection has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us today, and a big shout out to Kindle Unlimited for making this offer possible. Click the link below to get free books now. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes and cooking tips. Happy air frying, and see you in the kitchen.